Hey, your boys are here making burgers. I'm ugly as fuck. I'm shopping, you know what I'm saying? You need to get a haircut or something. But like, you know what I'm saying? I'm making a cooking video. This shit could be bad. I'm not gonna lie. This make a crazy ass mess, but low key, you know what I'm saying? Like we finna see what's up with it. Cause you know yesterday, before you know, I actually like I was thinking about making a video yesterday, to be honest, but the shit was wrong. The only burger that was actually good was the first one that I made. So you know what I'm saying? This is basically like round two. So yeah, gonna see if we don't fuck up this time. And look, I got, you know what I'm saying, some more meat right here, pause. And you know what I'm saying, got the butter for my bread that I'm finna, you know what I'm saying, toast and shit. Got the cheese right there. I don't know what I'm really gonna do with that. I don't know how I'm gonna like, you know, add it to the shit. But we finna figure something out. Do I like just like put it on top of the the burger now or bro, this shit is hard, bro. I need somewhere to put this motherfucker. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. I keep fucking burning myself, nigga. Does this burger seem good? You know, listen, we just gonna say fuck it. Hold on, real quick. We finna see. We finna see. Hold on. Put that. Oh shit. Put that bitch down. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker look cooked. I'm not gonna lie. That shit look cooked. Yeah, that shit good. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this motherfucker just keep flipping. All right, there we go. Look. So basically, I just like, you know what I'm saying, did it like this yesterday. I don't feel like doing too much, so I'm just gonna use salt and pepper. I'm not gonna lie. That's all you finna see me. That's all you finna see me use. And so basically, I just did it like that. This motherfucker fat. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe a lot. And then I did that. Y'all niggas ain't never seen my house for real. The most y'all probably seen is my fucking room. But that was like, you know what I'm saying, at my old crib. I'm at my new one now. So, well, not my new one, but like, you know what I'm saying, my other one. Because I was living like somewhere completely different, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, not gonna add no more fucking seasoning, but just salt and pepper. And salt and pepper not even seasoning for real. But I'm not trying to fuck up, so, you know. And oh, shit. Put that thing right there. Oh, shit. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. This motherfucker, ooh, I got smoke all my face. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday I got like grease all over my fucking face, bro. That shit fucking burned, bro. This motherfucker is hot. They don't fucking play, bro. They don't play. I'm not gonna lie. This is something. Like this shit don't look like a burger. So far, it's looking good. So far, it's looking good. Like I didn't really know where to put like the meat when I paused when I was done with it. So I just set it to the side. Ooh, shit, got myself. But I just like set it to the side with the uncooked meat, which is probably a safety hazard. But like I mean like, does it really count when like what I'm saying? It's like over here because that's why I made it like this. Cause I split it off. You know what I'm saying? The cooked shit with like what I'm saying, the uncooked shit. We can really do it. I gotta clean off the edges because I got fucking grease under it. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, I got you. Look at it right now. Look at it. That shit don't look bad. That shit don't look bad. Oh shit, got my phone. Is it cooked? Hold on. Damn. Hold on. Wait. I need to let him fix it. We finna find out though. We finna find out. We finna find out if it's actually cooked. Cause your boy be bullshitting sometimes. I'll be honest. I be bullshitting. I was never seen a couple of this shit. Okay. Your boy was feeling lazy. I'm be honest. Your boy was feeling lazy. So. But this time, you finna see the video. You finna see the video. I gotta, what I'm saying, do all the editing and shit like that. But like, say what? Oh, shit, this motherfucker. Don't go with the burger. Not gonna go with the burger. Damn, it's smoking like a motherfucker. Oh, shit. Hold on, we might need to put this motherfucker on high. Oh, so that's fine. Never mind. Hold on, wait. Keep that bitch on medium. Keep that bitch on medium. But it's sloppy as a motherfucker. Oh, shit. Y'all really want to watch me make a fucking burger, bro? Like, I'm just gonna put the greens on this bitch and just like put it on the fucking trays. This is what I was trying to get this cool. Work with me, you know what I'm saying? paid. Like, I told niggas, like, I can make a burger, but I've made a burger since I was like 10. So, you know, yesterday was like the first time coming back to making a burger and shit like that. So, we finna see how this bit look. This is not a good looking burger though. It don't look like a burger. But like, I promise it's a burger. Hold on, look at this bitch. This bitch look like the state of fucking Texas, my nigga. Look at that hoe. That shit don't look like a burger. The grease burning, the grease burning. Like, see, so like the thing is, I don't have a second cameraman or like my fault, a cameraman, so I can't just like have another nigga like record this shit. You know what I'm saying? So I was basically doing this shit solo dolo right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas are allowed in the crib. I just basically damn near live in the middle of nowhere, so nobody's gonna want to come up to me, right? So like, a lot of the shit I gotta do by myself, to be honest. But so if it's bad, you know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. I apologize. But like, this shit hard to load, bro. I need to get a motherfucking carrier or something. This shit pissed me off. So, how's everybody doing today? Just thought about it. Like I said, I'm alone. I don't have no. You know, one of these days, I might just hop on Amigo and just say fuck it. You know what I'm saying? And be like, all niggas that be feeling this. There's a lot of niggas that be on Amigo. Niggas really be sleeping on Amigo, but they funny as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, they really funny. You guys are here to try it, so I'm gonna do, you know, all from the fucking safety rules or whatever. So just okay. I'm pretty sure I will. Salt, pepper, no bugs. I made a steak yesterday. I made a steak the other day. For steaks. Them shits wasn't bad, you know what I'm saying? looking like how my business was yesterday. So I don't know why I fucked up so bad yesterday, but I did. Ooh, shit. But like, yeah. Fucking ball, you know? This shit gonna turn out like a meatball. Fuck. Hold on. Hold on. I can recover. I can recover. I can recover. Boom, we did it. We covered. We recovered. We recovered. We got this. We got this. Because my shit was gonna be fucked up if I didn't react in time. It was gonna look like a motherfucking meatball. I made this thing the rest of like motherfucking. I might just buy it. I don't know. Ah, shit. Listen to this motherfucker. It's so foggy in here. Y'all niggas probably can't see as well as I can. But there is fucking like smoke all around. You know what I'm saying? Thank God I got the fucking this shit on. Because if I didn't, that motherfucker would have gone off by now. I'm not gonna lie. Because last time I made steak, I'm surprised I didn't do that. But like, I forgot to turn the fan on. I wasn't even thinking about it for real. I forgot to turn that motherfucker on. And then I was like, damn, the smoke alarm didn't go off. I'm surprised it did. That's what I'm trying to say. This is how much I got left. I could probably make this into twos. Because I don't plan on making a fat ass burger like that. I probably bought this stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I'm at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Make it quick. Make it finish it fast. Like make it fucking fun. Look at me, dude. This motherfucker a little small. that fell off the motherfucking knife. You know what I'm saying? That goes with the beer pause. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it, move on. Alright, this is trash. And I got six burgers. Actually, no. I made two to put them on at the same time, but I feel like I'm gonna fuck up, so I'm not gonna do it. So we're just gonna do one at a time, like I was doing before. And after that, okay, you good, bro? You can get on. Bro, I don't know what else to do with the cheese. You know what I'm saying? Also, my sister got mad at me yesterday for something that she did. She talked about like, cause like when I made the burgers yesterday, I cleaned up after myself, right? You know what I'm saying? I left her shit in the fucking in the sink, and she got mad at me yesterday, talking about you need to clean up after yourself. My nigga, I did. That's all your shit in the sink, not mine. You did that. Nigga talking about I need to clean up after you. Nigga, so do you. If that's the case, like you do too. Because I'm not gonna clean after you. Like when I tell you, I barely eat, bro. I barely eat. Like I don't ever like be like using like plates and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Not to sound nasty or nothing like that. But like I be eating off on a napkin. You know what I'm saying? Like when I cook like this, I be eating off napkins and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Like obviously the napkins won't look like this. But like even when I do eat off of plates, damn, it's not good. Even when I do eat off of plates, like the bit, I clean the bitch like after like I'm done with it. Like you know what I'm saying? Like I don't just leave it like a mess. You know what I'm saying? I think this burger like close to burnt. Actually, no, I think it's good. I think it's good. I knew this shit would happen. I knew this shit would happen. I knew this shit would happen. I was gonna open the motherfucking door and everything. Like, oh shit. I'm like, give me a minute. I finish this final burger, or do I just say fuck it and move on to the fucking to the bread? This is what bothers me. I know it happens sooner or later, but honestly, that shit, and fucking ball. It should still be hot enough, because you know what I'm saying. I turned it off, but like I'll turn it back up. Like, bro, I got mess all over. So, yeah. But before I continue on the bread, I'm definitely gonna clean up my surroundings real quick. You can probably barely hear me because this motherfucker is loud than a bitch. I'm not gonna lie, but like I need it on high because I'm trying to figure out some smoke and shit like that. And I have the door cracked open right now. My back door, so I can like air that fucking smoke out and shit like that. You got the burger seasoning. So let me do some cleaning up real quick. But it might get cut out. I don't know. I might not be the one editing this. Okay. So if I am the one editing this shit not gonna get cut out. You can watch it clean it. But if I'm not, I don't know what they're gonna do. But like. My fault. I might just move you out to the side. I might just move you out to the side. shit. My dumb ass. My dumb ass. Oh shit. Watch it. Okay. From the small mess that I made, I cleaned up the majority. After this, after I'm done cooking, I'll clean up some more, obviously. Right now, make these fucking buns. Might just melt the cheese in the microwave, I'm not gonna lie. Cause damn, like the bitch cracked and everything, it's still fucking foggy. Look at the buns. Fucking bun grip, bro. That's some motherfucking bullshit. The fucking bunner, dude. The bunner. shit stopped recording. I was trying to fucking pull the bitch up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm using my hands because I just don't care. I think. Not too crispy, but not too bad either. Yeah, see this one looks great. This one looks magnificent. All right, that's one burger. Door is wide open, and look how foggy this motherfucker is. Like, you can barely see me. My sister gonna be mad at me. I'm not gonna lie. She gonna be mad. This motherfucker not getting no. This not got nigga no toast to it. What the fuck? That motherfucker not getting no toast to it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not grabbing a fan that's outside. I bring that bitch in. This shit gonna be toasty even before. Man. Oh shit. I'm off the burn. Oh. That's another burger. This shit could be so bad. Oh shit, my fault. Hand got in the way, hand got in the way, hand got in the way. This motherfucker hot and this shit is exhausted, bro. I'm not even doing shit, bro. I'm just fucking putting buns on our fucking burger, bro. This shit is ass. little ass patties, dude. These little ass patties. I've just been sitting here for like a good 3 minutes. It's still fine. I'm not gonna lie. I think the door stuck open for a little bit longer. Just like dry and shit. But until then, this motherfucker finna be like this. It's gonna be like this. One more. I got flies coming in here now. You know what I say to flies? That's what I say to flies. What the fuck? Oh, I'm tripping. Fuck on my face. Fuck on my face. Get the fuck out. Nah, y'all niggas can't hide nowhere. Y'all are fucked. Nigga, die, nigga, die. Sorry about the plants. Don't eat those. For the fucking piece of shit. Us. Okay, we're done. All right, got that shit settled. Turn this motherfucker off. Hold on. I'm finna try these motherfucking burgers. I'm finna try the burgers. I didn't mean to say motherfuckers, but like, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna try the burgers real quick. Yeah, this motherfucker good. I'm gonna go out. It's good. But like, let me clean up, and I'll talk to y'all later once I make another video. Peace.